Guys, I'm back here with another video, and today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube one-handed for the first time ever. Now I've been cubing for about 4 or 5 months, but I've never actually tried to solve a cube one-handed before. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah. And today I decided to do it for the first time ever on camera and just see how it would be. Full through solve, and yeah, let's begin. So I've got the cube scrambled up, and OH actually has its own like scrambles. I thought it would just be the same with 3x3, but yeah, let's begin. Oh, this has a very nice edge right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ugh, this is weird. Ugh. Oh, okay. Got so lucky there, except I failed to stop that timer. Okay, well, sub 2 minutes on first solve. I guess that's good. We just have to see another solve and check if that's pretty good. I scrambled my cube up again, and yeah, let's inspect this. Yes, I'm just gonna DNF this. Doing good. I got lucky on that last one. Before I did do this solve, I DNF'd twice because I messed up on PLO. Both times, I don't know what's happening, but yeah, just telling you guys that I don't know why I keep on messing up on the T-perms, and yeah. Okay, third solve. Oh, superb cross. This already set up, this right here. Boom, 6-second cross. Do this, yes. I didn't fail. No. Those dudes don't count at home. Nobody saw that. But yeah, 226 probably could have been sub 2 if I didn't mess up a lot, like a lot. But yeah, good solve in general, I guess. And yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you liked my suffering. And yeah, if this video gets 10 likes, then I will try to become a sub 2 average of 5. Like, that was just a lucky single, so yeah. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.